Hey guys, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Welcome back. In front of us today, I've got one that screams 1970s. This is a 1971 Ford Torino Cobra with a 429 Cobra jet engine. Pretty rare car, being a Cobra with the 429 Cobra jet. Which is even rarer here is this paint scheme, which is the medium yellow gold with the ginger vinyl interior. As you can see, this one's got the laser stripe. Looks beautiful down the side. It also has a shaker hood on it now with an original shaker setup, which we'll see here in a little bit. So the Cobra's got a, pretty good styling package. You can see the Cobra up here in the front on the original grille. Laser stripe down the side, beautiful body lines on this one and gaps. This car was recently restored, just finished up actually. So she's fresh all around, fresh paint job, engine rebuild, tranny rebuild, the whole bit. So rotisserie done here, and we just picked it up. You can see original Magnum 500s throughout. We're talking about that Cobra package. This is another little piece of that. And then you get the blackout treatment on the back, which really gives these one hell of a look. And the Cobra emblem here. Again, you can see that laser stripe down the side, really giving this one quite the look. All original car-like glass. So you can see it there in the corner. See it here in the back. So this car was recently painted just about a year ago. So it's got absolutely beautiful paint with good orange peel on it. Beautiful chrome, beautiful trim. The man who restored this put a ton of man hours in it and really did a hell of a job, as you can see under the hood here. So this is the 429 Cobra jet engine. Does have original exhaust manifolds, valve covers, intake heads. That's an original shaker setup on this car. Still has the original fan shroud with all the horsehair in it. It's a very expensive fan shroud for these cars. Originally, this car was an AC car. So you can see he didn't put it back on because he wasn't quite ready for it. But he did set it up in case somebody wanted to go back that route. So you can see it's got all the AC components. This car does come with its original compressor, the cooling system up front, all the original lines. So I still do have all that. You can see no stone left unturned on this one. Really a mighty fine job on the restoration. Show you all big this. Original fuel pump carburetor, a whole bit on this one. So engine compartment looks really well sorted. And as a whole, this car is really well sorted. So we'll come around here, check out this ginger interior. So also on the Cobras, you get the little badging on the inside. You can see just how nice this interior is, front to back. Headliner. This car does only have 27,000 miles on it. And those are believed to be original. All the doors shut really good. Hood, deck lid. You can see the trunk lights working. All exterior lights are working. It does have an original Mag 500 spare, even with the full-size BF Goodwrench tires, which are brand new. It does have all its original paperwork here. So you can see the owner's manuals, the Safer Ride brochure, even the litter bag, which is very hard to find, warranty booklet, and it even does have the promotional brochure that you would have got at the dealership, still with this car. So as you can see, extremely well sorted throughout. one hell of a car, and we're getting ready to list it here at Nate's Classic Cars. I'm gonna do one more pan out so you can see the whole car, and then I'm gonna fire this thing up. So we'll fire it up and then I'll do a little video of it running. So here she is running. Runs like a top. Like I said, motor and trains were just rebuilt. Got my wife rev it up a few times. All right, here we go. We're gonna take the Torino for a little cruise so you guys can see how well this thing drives. Like I said, this thing has a recent restoration. Everything was rebuilt: engine, transmission, full-on paint job, rotisserie restored. This thing is the ultimate cruiser. We'll take her down the road here a little bit. All lights work on this thing, all blinkers. So get the interior going here. As you can see, take a peek down the road, this thing is just a cruiser. Beautiful ginger interior on this one. Very rare paint scheme. Medium yellow gold with the ginger interior. Obviously, you take a peek out there when you're driving, you see the shaker hood. This whole car screams 1970s. We'll get on it a little bit here.